This is a very homely setup, and I am not going to put any edits or cutouts from this video because I really want to go candid with what I'm sharing right now, and talk like an elder sister to you all. Starting with the main topic of this video is how you can start creating content as a CA student. Honestly, initially when I started putting out, and I was just very confused कि मेरा niche क्या होगा क्या नहीं. So I even talked about this one thing that I don't know my niche, but I'm just figuring out and everything. And right now I feel like I've figured out a bit, and I understood like what the market really needs and wants. First thing is that creating as a CA student is difficult. Reason being that you need to manage your time with your academics and with your the content part, or if you're a college going student, or someone who is pursuing articleship, तो थोड़ा difficulty होने वाला है. I'm doing all four of it. I'm creating content, I'm managing my classes, I'm going to college, and I'm doing my articleship as well. So मेरी college भी regular है actually. So it somehow like makes it quite difficult, but we are trying to manage some way or the other way because time management सीखनी है. Talking about you, where you can start with, the starting line can be you talking about your own difficulties. कैसे you cleared your CA foundation, cleared your CA inter, is preparing for CA finals. Because me as a CA finalist, I receive texts from people. I'm really sorry for the background noise, give me a minute. Yeah, continuing on to what I was saying, that me as a CA finalist, I receive texts from CA finalists, just wanting to talk about की classes कहाँ से ली कहाँ से नहीं करके and all करके, and they follow me. Now why are CA finalists following me? Because they just want to be कि हाँ someone like me is existing ऐसे करके, या for the motivation part बोल दो, या फिर just connect with us, connect with me, right? Same way, if you are a CA intermediate student, fellow CA intermediate students are going to connect with you. Your juniors, that is like the CA foundation students, are going to connect with you to maybe seek a little mentorship from you. मैंने स्कोर किए मेरे CA इंटरमीडिएट में exactly 300, ठीक है. And somehow I'm not able to believe it, but somehow I do receive quite a lot of texts from CA intermediate students and CA foundation students, class 12 के students are wanting to talk about कि आपने कैसे क्या क्लियर किया, अबाउट माई स्ट्रैटेजीज. आई पोस्टेड दिस वन पोस्ट अबाउट माई टीचर्स का रिकमेंडेशंस, एंड ब्रो दैट हिट like 2 million views and all करके. So when I talk about this, it's not about how much you score कि क्या कैसे कर लो, it's just about how you were managing and what were your strategies and different methods which you followed and pursued. काफ़ी लोग uses this. For example, I scored 80 in my accounts and my CA foundation paper. So I can, the credibility is really high when I talk about कि मैंने 80 score किए थे, so I can just talk about it. But at the same time, even if I scored 40 or 45 in my law paper, I can still talk about things because अगर मैंने पास किया है या मैंने फेल भी किया होता है मान लो, आई जस्ट नो दैट वेयर आई वेंट रॉन्ग, वेयर आई वेंट राइट, एंड कहाँ पे क्या गलती हुई थी मेरे से. एंड पीपल वॉन्ट टू नो दैट, पीपल वॉन्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड कि क्या कैसे चलता है. एंड we live in a society जहाँ पे not everyone has a बड़े भैया बड़ी बहन या फिर cousin sisters brothers who are pursuing CA. मेरा सिर्फ एक बड़ा भाई है, मतलब मेरा एक बड़ा भाई है जो CA परस्यू कर रहा था. ही इज़ अ CA नाउ, एंड मैं उनसे थोड़ी मोटी गाइडेंस लेती थी. बट he is someone जो बोलते हैं कि तू खुद से फिगर आउट कर. सो मोस्टली आई फिगर्ड थिंग्स आउट ऑन माई ओन. समटाइम्स माई मॉम जस्ट यूज टू फोर्स हिम कि तू बता दे इसको, क्यों नहीं बता रहा, हेल्प कर दे, ये कर दे वो कर दे. देन ही यूज टू हेल्प मी आउट. बट अदरवाइज आई फिगर्ड थिंग्स आउट ऑन माई ओन. एंड या फिर मेरे जो फ्रेंड्स हैं, मैंने उनके साथ बैठ के क्या माथा लगाया क्या नहीं करके. कमिंग बैक टू अगेन माई द रियल टॉपिक, I feel like I've convinced you a little that why you need to start talking about your own journey, because people want to be seen and heard, and उनको लगना चाहिए कि they are not alone and you are the one who can make them feel. Talking about the fear of judgment, आपको सबसे ज़्यादा डर लगता है. इट्स नॉट इवन अबाउट कि ना मैं क्या पोस्ट करूँगी, इट्स अबाउट कि मैं पोस्ट करूँगी तो लोग क्या बोलेंगे. एंड व्हेन यू रीच दिस पॉइंट, आई एम टेलिंग यू माई फ्रेंड दैट you are not at the right track. When you start caring about people, those who does not even matter to you, you are drowning. I'll post this, ठीक है, and there are going to be a lot of mistakes from my side where I stumble, I fumble or whatever shit I'll happen. अभी ये जो भी हो रहा है, ठीक है. I have two options, either to invest my time heavily in this and edit this and उसके बाद मैं पोस्ट करूँ एकदम अच्छे से बन ठन के, So my time is going to be consumed here rather than on my academics, but I don't want that. I want to put my time here rather than there. So मैंने यहाँ पे just normally talk, I just talk and then I post it. I don't care. I don't give a shit कि आपको क्या लगता है. If it's helping you out, if it's making an impact, that is what really matters to me. Numbers don't matter to me. You know, ये जो सारी चीज़ें does not really matters to me. All matters to me is I'm able to at least make like 2 people create content out of this and make their life a little better and stop caring about what people think about them. If I took this step and I know that given that I'm a college student, given that I'm someone who goes out a lot in like public spaces वहाँ पे, I know that people are going to judge me, bro. मैं events में if I go, and those who are also added on my Instagram account, there are times when I hear this maybe taunt, or I don't know, is it out of jealousy or somewhat like that, they are saying that तू record कर ले, इससे तो देखो content मिल जाएगा. They go like this, and honestly मेरे को खराब लगता है, but at the same time I don't give a shit about it because मेरे को मिलेगा content, I'll post it. तेरी क्यों जल रही है भाई? So I go this way, honestly. So this is my way of actually managing and tracking. And as a kid I always used to feel the judgment wala part, because I've shared this on my Instagram as well, that I used to get told by my relatives कि आपको braces लगवा लेने चाहिए and all करके. But now I'm really comfortable with it and I'm talking and whatever the shit it is. Another is your dedication. My dedication is so good that मैंने पंखा बंद कर देना है जब भी मैं रिकॉर्ड करती हूँ. I switch off my fan because when I switch it on, you'll hear. See, so if I try to talk, थोड़ी सी अनबनी हो जाएगी, right? So अभी तो ठंड चल रही तो इतना मैटर नहीं करता है, बट इवन इन समर्स फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई स्टार्टेड क्रिएटिंग कंटेंट मे बी इन जून और जुलाई, आई डोंट रिमेंबर, अगस्त, आई डोंट रिमेंबर, बट जो भी, तो आई यूज टू स्विच ऑफ माई फैन एंड देन रिकॉर्ड, एंड मेरा पूरा फेस पसीना से भर जाता था, एंड देन पीपल यूज टू थिंक कि इसका तो चेहरा चमक रहा है. एंड यू माइट वंडर कि मैंने माइक क्यों नहीं लिया. मैंने माइक अभी तक इसलिए नहीं लिया बिकॉज आई डोंट रियली वांट टू स्पेंड लाइक 2000 or 3000 ऑफ माइन ऑन अ बेसिक माइक. सो देयर इज दिस माइक विच इज ऑफ लाइक वेरी हाई कॉस्टिंग एंड ऑल, क्योंकि तो मैं सोची बाद में मैं उससे ले लूँगी. अभी तो मेरे ऐसे काम चल रहा है ना, तो चल रहा है, तो क्यों अभी इन्वेस्ट करना है. रेस्ट आई थिंक आई हैव फिगर थिंग्स आउट. एंड राइट नाउ वन मोर क्वेश्चन यू माइट हैव दैट यू डोंट हैव अ गुड कैमरा. मेरे को भी हमेशा से था, ठीक है. सो मैं इतने टाइम से लाइक आई स्टार्टेड क्रिएटिंग कंटेंट as soon as like full fledgedly जब मेरे को iPhone खरीदा मैंने, ठीक है. उससे पहले I was not creating full fledgedly, but somehow like कुछ ना कुछ मैं पोस्ट करती थी. Like I had started posting. In this whole process, what I really figured out is that more than camera, it is about what you are posting. Because I know this girl on Instagram, she just shares her story. She lives in Bangalore and I think it has been like 25 or 30 days since वो post करना चालू कर दिए, and her content is really well, though the camera quality is really bad. Because the first time I watched her video I was like इतने likes कैसे इस पे, and though the quality is really bad, the video quality, only to figure it out that it was not the camera quality which really matters. It is not the camera quality which really matters, it is the content which really matters. And I know that like camera matters and all karke, but the content you're also putting out really matters a lot. For example, agar aaj main I was just talking about this, like for example, if I talk ki audit mein kaise pass hona hai, the camera quality is really like a little bad, you might still hear it, and that is what matters, right? And if you want to just improve, start shooting in natural light. ये हमारे पास natural light है यहाँ पे. You can start shooting like सूरज ज़्यादा तो आते ही है, so you can do that. And right now I am not using like this light. This is the light which is for like content creation. Yeah, this is the light, but I am not using it. मेरे पास मेरी dressing table की light है, so I use that. This one is actually well as well, so I can just put it. Yeah, I don't think I need it, but yeah, whatever. I don't need it. Yeah, so I think that's all. बाकी you can put down your questions in the comments कि क्या ये वो करके. I just told you like as a CA student how you can do that, and I went really candid with it, so I'll not be sorry for it. मैंने ऐसे बात की ना कि like I'm the eldest daughter in my family, ठीक है. तो मेरे छोटे भाई बहन बहुत सारे हैं. The way I talk to them, the same way I'm talking to you all. सो अगर कहीं मेरे से भूल चूक हुई हो, आई एम नॉट सॉरी फॉर दैट, इट्स कम्प्लीटली फाइन विथ मी. ये तुम, इट वॉज ऑन योर साइड दैट यू इंटरप्रेटेड इट इन द रॉन्ग वे या कुछ ऐसे करके. रेस्ट एवरीथिंग इज फाइन एंड आई होप आई गेट मोर टाइम टू टॉक टू यू ऑल इन सच फॉर्मेट. And let's see how this goes. Let's go. Thank you for listening. Raj Radhi signing off.